Ever wondered how some YouTube videos manage to top the search results amidst the ocean of content uploaded every minute? Today, we uncover the secret sauce to getting your videos up there. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned creator, these tips can give your channel the boost it needs, so buckle up. First on our list is understanding the magic of YouTube SEO. It's all about dressing up your video to climb the ranks. Think about the right keywords in your title, especially those beginning with how-to or focusing on specific themes. Craft a description that's rich in detail, providing context and additional links. Keep in mind, YouTube's algorithm has a soft spot for content that is clearly defined and relevant to what viewers are searching for. Moving on to the power duo, tags and thumbnails. Leverage tags that echo common search queries. Now, your thumbnail, that's your billboard. It's the first thing viewers lay their eyes on, so make it enticing and relevant to your title. Next, let's talk about the importance of engagement. Videos that rack up views, likes, and comments send a signal to YouTube. This content is worth watching. So stir up your viewers, ask them questions, prompt them to comment. This interaction amps up your video's visibility. Now, onto consistency and quality. Regular uploads keep your audience on their toes and help build a loyal following. But remember, never trade quality for quantity. High-quality content that adds value will always have the upper hand in the long run. To wrap it up, getting your YouTube video to top the search results is a cocktail of savvy SEO, engaging content, and unwavering effort. Implement these tips, and you'll notice a shift in your channel's performance. And while you're here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such handy tips. Until the next video. For more YouTube growth strategies and tips, don't forget to check out our other videos. Here's to creating content that stands out.